Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Some people's Proudest possession might be a family heirloom or an impressive creation they spent hours working on. But for Adele, it's something that should probably have gone in the bin a long time ago. The Rolling in the Deep singer has been in the spotlight recently ahead of release of her upcoming new album, 30, appearing on the cover of both British and US Vogue and getting more than she bargained for when she was asked about her body count during an Instagram live Q&A session. As part of the efforts to build hype for her upcoming album, as if the world isn't excited enough already, Adele also took part in a video interview for Vogue in which she gave fans an insight into her life by answering dozens of questions. The singer was quizzed about when fans could next expect to see her on tour, how she handles being recognized in public, and whether she experiences stage fright. But it was the question of what she considered her proudest possession that arguably produced the strangest answer. It's hard to imagine popular singers being hardcore fans of other celebrities, but Adele proved that can definitely be the case as she revealed her prized item to be a framed piece of Celine Dion's chewing gum. Adele had been gifted the used gum by the Late Late Show host James Corden after he became aware of her admiration for the singer, with Adele describing it as pretty amazing. Corden came to acquire the gum after conducting one of his popular carpool karaoke sessions with Dion, with Adele explaining he made her spit her gum into a piece of paper and he framed it for her. Adele's account was later confirmed by Corden on the Late Late Show, where he explained he managed to get the gum just before Dion disposed of it, ready for their song-filled car ride. Considering Adele is the owner of numerous big awards, I think Dion should be honored to know that the singer's greatest possession is something she had in her mouth. So if you are liking my videos, don't forget to subscribe and comment.